The court heard on Tuesday that Datuk Seri Najib Razak, who is accused of misappropriating 42 million ringgit from SRC International Sdn Bhd, was his shadow director who benefited financially from its coffers. Attorney General Tan Sri Tommy Thomas submitted before the court on the first day of a two-day submission at the end of the prosecution's case in the SRC trial that the former Prime Minister was entrusted with dominion over the property of SRC and therefore had an interest over the company. He questioned the willingness of Najib's administration in pulling out all the stops to assist the subsidiary of One Malaysia Development Bhd. The Attorney General also said that SRC's constitution gave Najib the powers of hire and fire, making him the ultimate decision-maker in the company. Despite claiming that he was shocked over the 42 million ringgit in his personal bank account, ad hoc prosecutor Datuk V. Sidhambaram said Najib did not take any action against it. The prosecutor said if the accused was innocent of the 42 million ringgit, he should have sued the bank for unlawful deposit of the said money or lodge a police report over the matter. Meanwhile, Najib's lawyer Harvinderjit Singh argued that his client should be acquitted of the charges against him on grounds that the prosecution had failed to establish a prima facie case. Harvinderjit also contended that the prosecution had failed to prove the 42 million ringgit truly belonged to SRC and maintained that Najib had no knowledge of the transactions of funds out of SRC or into his accounts. Najib is facing 7 charges, of which 3 are for criminal breach of trust, 1 for abuse of power, and 3 for money laundering involving SRC International funds totaling 42 million ringgit.